This coconut rice is made in a native way, so keep watching till the end to see how I made it. The full list of all the ingredients I used are in the description box down below, so please do well to check them out. It's very simple, so let's dig in. Now start by pouring out your rice in a clean bowl and wash properly in running water. Sieve out the dirty water. Also repeat this process until the water runs very clear. Then you sieve out and set it aside. Now go in with your pepper mix, which is made up of red pepper, onions, garlic, ginger and shombo, into your blender. Add a little water to ease the blending process and blend until it's very smooth. And when you're done, you set it aside. Now in a clean dry pot, pour in the palm oil and allow to heat up without bleaching. Then you pour in your sliced onions and stir. Allow this to cook until it's very translucent. And bear in mind that this process is one of the flavor building process of this recipe. Try to do all of this on medium heat. We don't need much heat to avoid burning. Next, you go in with the blended crayfish powder and stir around for about 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, you pour in your blended pepper mix and stir gently. Then you cover this and allow to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you season with some seasoning powder and some salt to taste. Stir this for a while and cover and allow to cook for about 4 minutes. After about 4 minutes of cooking this, you introduce your deboned roasted mackerel fish. Make sure you wash properly, and your dried catfish. Also wash properly before adding it. Make sure you debone it properly before washing and adding it into your dish. Cover and allow to cook for about 3 minutes. Then you can introduce your washed rice into the pot. Stir properly, stir gently until it's fully coated. Next, you go in with your coconut milk and stir. Watch this video I made on how to make coconut milk. The link to that video is in the description box below. For this recipe, I used the second method of coconut milk. So do well to watch this video to see how I made it. Now add some water and adjust your salt and seasoning to taste. Stir properly and cover with an aluminum foil in order to trap in the heat. Cover and allow this to cook on low heat for about 30 minutes. If this video is making sense to you, consider subscribing and don't forget to like and share to your loved ones. And if you love this recipe, I would like you to comment "I love native coconut rice" in the comment section. After 30 minutes of cooking the rice till it's tender, add your sliced scent leaves. Stir properly and cover for about 3 minutes. Now, to take this recipe to another level, add some sliced curry leaves and stir properly. And after that, take off the heat immediately. Guys, your coconut native rice is ready. Very flavorful, very yummy, very delicious. So do well to serve in a plate to enjoy. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.